Are you looking for the best cordless electric air blower? Well, you're in the perfect spot. In this video, we've done all the hard work for you by researching and comparing hundreds of products to bring you the ultimate top 5 cordless electric air blowers. Whether you need a reliable tool for cleaning leaves, dust, or snow, or you're looking for a multifunctional device for your DIY projects, this list has got you covered. Stick around as we break down the features, pros, and cons of each product to help you make an informed decision. From power and efficiency to ease of use, we'll highlight why these air blowers stand out from the rest. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for more details and the best deals. Let's dive in. Number 5. 1050 watts cordless violent turbofan variable speed turbofan. This multifunctional air blower is a great pick for home DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a Makita 18 volts battery, it offers a reliable 1050 watts motor with variable speed options. Its compact and lightweight design ensures ease of handling, while the turbo blower functionality delivers strong air pressure for effective cleaning. Whether you're clearing dust or debris, this tool delivers consistent performance. However, it uses a brushed motor, which might not be as durable as brushless alternatives. Additionally, its power output is slightly lower than other high-end models. Despite this, it is a cost-effective and efficient choice for everyday tasks around the house. Number 4. ONEVAN 1500 watts brushless high-powered turbo fan blower. The ONEVAN 1500 watts blower offers superior performance with a high pressure output and a maximum wind speed of 200 mph. Its brushless motor ensures longer lifespan and smoother operation, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty tasks. The handheld design is ergonomic, and the turbo jet fan is perfect for tackling tough cleaning jobs like snow or wet leaves. On the downside, its price point may be higher compared to brushed motor options, and the 18 volts battery is sold separately. Nevertheless, with its impressive speed of 128,000 RPM and robust blowing force, this is an ideal tool for demanding users. Number 3. KEEAFFOR 200S Brushless Turbo Jet Fan 2000 watts. For those seeking power and versatility, the KEEAFFOR air blower is a fantastic choice. It features a powerful 2000 watts brushless motor and an adjustable speed of up to 150,000 RPM. With a maximum wind speed of 200 mph, it is perfect for both home and professional use. Its high-capacity battery ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for extended projects. However, its high power and capacity might make it slightly heavier than other models, and the additional battery capacity options can increase the overall cost. Still, this blower's unmatched efficiency and durability make it a worthy investment for serious users. Number 2. ONEGREEN 2000 watts brushless electric turbo blower. The ONEGREEN turbo blower combines powerful performance with reliability. With a brushless motor and maximum output power of 2000 watts, it achieves up to 200 mph wind speed and 150,000 RPM. Its ergonomic design and high-pressure functionality make it perfect for handling tough cleaning tasks like removing snow or stubborn debris. While it excels in performance, its larger size might be less convenient for users who prioritize portability. Additionally, the high power might drain the battery faster under continuous use. Nonetheless, its advanced features and robust design make it a must-have tool for those who demand high performance. Number 1. BABEQ 1500 watts electric turbo jet fan. Topping the list is the BABEQ 1500 watts cordless blower, a perfect combination of power, portability, and efficiency. With a wind speed of 200 mph and a blowing force of 1-1.2 kg, this tool can handle a wide range of cleaning tasks. The 20 volts battery ensures excellent runtime, while the compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Its brushed motor might not be as long-lasting as brushless options, and the maximum output power is slightly lower than 2000 watts competitors. However, its overall balance of features, performance, and affordability makes it an excellent choice for both casual and professional use.